Hello, English learners. Welcome to a new series on everyday English. This is Comprehensible Input. What is comprehensible input? It is a great way to learn a new language. You look at words and you listen to them. You understand everything. You learn English naturally without a lot of effort. Today, we will talk about colors. We will think about many different colors and learn their names. Please look and listen very carefully. Let's start our new lesson. Think about an apple. The apple is a fruit. The apple can be red. Red is a color. The apple is red. Think about the sky. The sky is very, very big. The sky is blue. Blue is a color. The sky is blue. Think about a tree. The tree has many leaves. The leaves are green. Green is a color. The leaves are green. Think about the sun. The sun is very bright. The sun is yellow. Yellow is a color. The sun is yellow. Think about a night. A night is very, very dark. The color of the night is black. Black is a color. Think about snow. The snow is very soft and cold. The snow is white. White is a color. We have many colors. We have red, blue, green, yellow, black, and white. Thank you for learning about colors with me. That was a great lesson about colors. We hope you enjoyed it and learned many new words. Remember, listening to English is a fantastic way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday English for more great lessons, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.